And it's the turn of our very forgiving majority leader na kanina po ay talagang nagparaya na kasi mabuti naman ang kanyang puso. Senator Joel.
Napakabait po ng chairman natin. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, let me go straight to the point. No, we owe it to our people, especially my kababayans in Bulacan. May lumabas po na yung ghost projects, nakakainit na ng ulo yung flood control projects and 3 taon na po yan dito sa Senado na tinatakel. Unfortunately, wala pa rin nangyayari. Yung St. Timothy, ayan si Madam Roma, meron kayong ghost project sa Bulacan?
Mr. Chair, wala po.
Categorically. Tapos yung wow, it's a yes or no question, sir. Wow, you're
You don't
looking,
even know?
You're looking for your lawyers?
I invoke my right for self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ano? Can you repeat your answer?
Wow.
Can you repeat your answer, Mr. Arevalo?
I invoke my right for self-incrimination, Your Honor.
My God, the question of the majority floor leader is very simple. It is only answerable by yes or no, Mr. Arevalo. Is there any ghost projects of Wawaw builders?
Bine-verify pa po namin, Your Honor, ang ano kung meron po.
Ano ka ba sa Wawaw? Are you the owner?
Yes po, Your
And
Honor.
you should know.
Ang bira ka, sasagot ka ng ganyan, ghost project. Parang tinatanong ka kung tao ka, hindi mo alam kung tao ka.